Welcome to the best resource online for you to learn React, master it, and become a senior React developer. This brand new course will not only teach you the basics of React, but it will teach you the latest advanced features and ecosystem, including Redux, hooks, GraphQL, ContextAPI, Redux sagas, React Router, Firebase, payments with Stripe, styled components, progressive web apps, testing. Okay, I'm out of breath. By the end of this course, you will be a complete React developer that can get hired at large companies and even lead React projects. Along the way, we're going to build a massive project, bigger than anything you've probably done before. It's a full-stack e-commerce app, including user sign-ins and online payments, all built from scratch, step by step, together. This course has been years in the making, and an app like this usually takes months to build. You get to benefit and learn about large-scale architecture and how things like state, Redux, hooks, ContextAPI, and GraphQL can be implemented in one app. Wait. I know what you're thinking. Andre, why aren't we building 10 projects? Here's the truth. Most courses teach you React and do just that. They show you how to get started, build 10 projects that are simple and easy to build in a day, and just add some CSS to make them look fancy. In real life though, you're not building silly applications. When you apply to jobs, nobody's going to care that you built a really pretty to-do app. Employers want to see you build large apps that can scale, that have good architecture, and that can be deployed to production. But there are so many React courses out there. Oh boy, you're a tough one. Okay, let me give you 3 reasons why this course is different. 1, you will build the biggest project you will see in any course. This type of project would take you months to implement yourself. 2, this course is taught by 2 instructors that have actually worked for some of the biggest tech firms using React in production. Wait, 2 instructors? That's right. Ihua and I used to work together. And Ihua has been working on some of the biggest e-commerce websites that you've definitely heard of and probably even shopped at.
Hey everyone, I'm Ihua.
And I'm Andre. I've worked on enterprise-level React applications for large IPO tech firms, both in Silicon Valley and Toronto. And by having both of us teach, you get to see different perspectives and learn from 2 senior developers, as if we're working at a company together. Hooray! Oh, and I almost forgot. Number 3, we teach you principles that are important beyond just what you learn as a beginner. Using our experience, we teach you about design patterns, how to architect your app, organize your code, structure your folders, and how to think about performance. Let's just say we don't shy away from the advanced topics. This course is not about making you just code along without understanding the principles so that when you're done with the course, you don't know what to do other than watch another tutorial. No, this course will push you and challenge you to go from an absolute beginner in React to someone that is in the top 10% of React developers. As a matter of fact, if at the end of the course you don't feel like you learned beyond what other courses teach, I have a 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Have a look at the course outline in the next video to see if this course is right for you. I'll see you inside.